Hey guys, so today we're going to print out something for Easter. This is a rabbit candy dish. My wife came up wanting me to print something for the grandkids, so I figured that this would be a good one to print. I'm going to print it as large as I can on this printer, and to make it a little bit more Easter-like, we picked up this Amolen filament. It's a transitional filament. Sorry about that. It's a transitioning filament. It's like a pastel colors all the way through on it, and it is vacuum sealed. This is the first time I've ever used this brand of it, but it's got some pretty good color to it. So it's going to be interesting to see how this turns out. Anyway, get everything all set up. I'll see you at the end of the time lapse. "31 hours, 44 minutes. And this thing turned out great. It's actually a little bit bigger than I thought it would be. There we go. But that turned out amazing. That filament is crazy. Bottom's like glass. It's so textured that it hides any faults there may possibly be, but I don't see any problems at all. Even the overhang right here I was worried about, it came out great. So the whole idea is my wife, as expensive as Easter baskets are getting and just as throwaway as they are, she wanted something that was going to be a little bit better for the grandkids, for something for them to hang on to. And the idea was press something like this, put candy in it for them. Later on, if they want to use it as a planter, they can always put a plant in there. So I think it turned out great. So that Amolen filament, I'm going to be using more of that. That turned out great. It printed amazing. I was watching the first few layers as they went down. I came out right about the time that was just joining the body, and just the way it was printing, I was very impressed with the way it turned out. But man, those colors, that just turned out great. Couldn't ask for anything better. Anyway, I got one more I got to print out, and then I'll be done with that and move on to the next project. Well guys, thank you very much for watching. Take care, and I will catch you in the next one.